Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today I'll be talking about XAU USD pair, that is gold USD pair, and we'll do the Forex analysis for 27th to 31st July 2026. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in XAU USD, that is gold USD on Friday. So as you can see, 0.09% positive move, 4052.99 is the closing. So here now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week. Even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone, which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. So do mark these levels as well on your chart. Also, I will be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check a weekly chart first. So let's open a weekly chart over here. So here, this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart, we can see a bullish candle with a small to medium body and a small lower wick and a big upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is at around 6 to 7 level, which is indicating as a positive move. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI or other indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here, this is a one-day chart currently. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So here, first, some important support zone and resistance zones over here are already marked during our previous week analysis. So currently we don't need to mark any new levels. Let's straight away talk about the closing first. So here, 40.52 is the closing. Here the direct support is 40.29. Direct resistance is 40.63. After direct support, there is a support of 39.80 and then 39.40. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 41.09 and then 41.44. So these are two important support zone and resistance zone, which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. So do mark these levels on your chart. Before I talk about my opinion in gold USD for this week, I would like to inform you, if you don't have enough capital to do forex trading, or if you don't know how to start forex trading, then I have already given link in the description of prop firms where you can buy a challenge and you can directly trade from there, and you will get a funded account where you have to first pass their challenge account and then you will get a funded account. If you want to know more about it, you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number. But if you feel these prop firms has very strict rules and you don't want to follow any rules, then you can also open your own or fund your forex account from GTC FX. I've already given link in the description of GTC FX. If you face any problem with deposit and withdrawal, you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number. I have direct contact with the company, so I will help you with regarding the deposit and withdrawal if you face any issue in that. So now let's talk about my opinion in gold USD for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I'm expecting a positive move in this range, that is 40.63 to 41.09. Even we can see a move till this level as well. But if you're going for any short trade, then only go for a short trade once 40.29 gets breached with a 4-hour one-day candle closing. Then you can go for a short till this level. Even you can wait for this level as well. Overall, my expectations with positive in this range for this week. If you're going for any intraday, then always check the 1 hour or 15-minute candle and accordingly trade with a 4-hour bias, so that you get a higher time frame bias as well, and accordingly you can trade for bullish or bearish momentum. My expectation is positive in this range. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.